will get on after leaving school. I will get my career started. Are you aged 16 to 17? Have you left school? Are you unemployed? Then a traineeship could be perfect for you. It's brilliant. Take a traineeship in catering, for example. The training providers have set up a real working kitchen serving other students and tutors. So you're actually dealing with real customers. It gives you a taste of what it's like to work in a busy, professional environment.
The course is great because it's just real good hands-on experience with like cooking food and dealing with customers.
We cook like main meals, we cook breakfasts, sometimes we cook like cakes and stuff.
Doing the course will teach you a lot. You'll learn on the job, and you're given the trust and the responsibility to work on your own and with other students to get the job done.
We like a professional kitchen because like when everybody's coming in we have to serve proper, we can't mess around and things, it's got to be all right when we're in here, so it's a good experience for us ready to go out on placement.
And that's the big difference. It's nothing like school. The tutors treat you like an adult. They're there to help you learn, of course, and are always around to offer advice and support. But at the end of the day, it's up to you to work hard and succeed. It's more like a job. In fact, you even get paid £10 a day.
Well, if you love food, you'll love it here. You'll make loads of new friends. It's brilliant. It's basically a real job. You get paid for it, £10 a day. And if you behave, you get the full £10, you can't misbehave.
But you shouldn't do a traineeship just for the pay. What's really important is that you do something you enjoy, something that helps you get the skills you need to earn good money later on in life. You'll also get the opportunity to do work experience with a local catering firm, cafe or restaurant.
It's helped me a lot because I wasn't on the right path before I come on here. I was just messing around, getting in trouble.
A traineeship is perfect if you left school not knowing what you want to do. It will give you the time to try out different skills and open doors for you. Whether you want to continue your learning, go on to college after you finish your traineeship, do an apprenticeship, or find a job.
I'd love to become a chef in a restaurant, like a 5-star restaurant.
I've matured a lot since I've been on the course, it's helped me so much. I'm just so glad I've come on here and I'd recommend it to everyone.
I'm thinking about going to college and doing my level 2 after I finish here, so yeah, it's going to be good.
So if you want to get on like these trainees, then you know what you've got to do. Get on a traineeship. I will get on after leaving school. I will think about a traineeship in catering.